It's 1:49 a.m. in Vidor, Texas. Flames are tearing through a mobile home with 2 kids trapped inside. What happens next? 2 officers risk everything. What you're about to see is raw body cam footage of a real rescue that turned these cops into heroes. Fast.
Hi, is everybody out?
No, there's kids in there.
Where at?
We're right here.
Are they asleep?
No, I pulled the rubber. Boys!
It's nailed? So, come on now, guys. Come on. Come on. How many more? How many more? Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Okay. Only 2 kids, right? You okay, guys? You okay? I bumped your head. Look at me. You bumped your head. You okay? You okay? Look at me. You okay? Can you breathe? Talk to me. Look at me. Talk to me. What's your name? You okay, buddy? You okay?
Thank you.
You okay? Maverick? Okay. I know I bumped your head, but you're okay, right?
Yes, sir, I don't care about
Okay,
that.
okay.
I
You don't want to sit in the car? Okay, look, y'all can sit right inside of there, okay? Yeah, y'all sit in there because the fire trucks are coming down.
Both children made it out alive, thanks to the quick thinking and bravery of Officers Stevenson and Moss. In under a minute, they changed the ending of a nightmare. Heroes wear badges, and sometimes they bust in windows. Don't forget to like and subscribe to The Cuffed Report for more raw footage, real stories, and zero fluff. Hit that bell so you never miss a moment that matters.